National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Daviess County, southwestern Lawrence County, southern Martin County until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located 8 miles southwest of Shoals, or 21 miles east of Petersburg, and moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Lacey, Gion, Roland. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Daviess, Lawrence, and Martin.